Task 14, Bus Tours. The owner of Maxit Buses wants to compare this July's revenue with last year. So the first thing we need to do is reference the July Bus Tours sheet to get the figures from this July. So we're going to do equals, we're going to click over to the sheet, we're going to find the one we're looking for, Cultural, Hills and Glens, and then we are going to press enter. That's going to take the figures straight from this sheet over. Now it's important you do this instead of typing the numbers out because human error can come into play, but also if the information was updated on the July Bus Tour sheet, it's going to automatically update on this sheet too. Now we want to know if there's been an increase or decrease and what it is as a percentage. So we are going to take the current figure, we're going to take away the previous figure and divide it by the original figure. Let's talk that through again. So we are taking the figure we're at just now, taking away the figure from last July. The reason we're doing that is because we want to find out what the difference is, whether it's positive or negative, we want to know. Then we're dividing that new figure we've got here, and we're dividing it by the original from last July to find out there has been an 11% increase. We can drag this down. Then we want to sum the total revenue from this July and from last July. Then we're going to decide whether there's been a total July revenue percent increase or decrease. So we take this July, take away last July, and divide it by the original to find out we have a 2% increase 1 year ahead. Remember, insert your name as a footer, make sure it fits on one page, delete the comments, and do your printing with value view and grid lines, and formula view with row and column headings as well as grid lines.